Howdy! This video is about a different way to store your small parts bin organizers. It's so simple, it's almost embarrassing. You see, we have here a few small parts organizers. You can customize your tray sizes. You have a lid that latches so you can take the parts to where your job is. And they are stackable. Now that's great if you only need to get to the top organizer. Otherwise, you're having to pick up and relocate bins while you retrieve the one you need, then restack them. There are many videos on making storage racks which look pretty handy, but takes a bit of materials and time. But what if you labeled the side instead of the handle? And what if you stored them vertically, kind of like books? Now all you need is a shelf or unused part of your workbench. This probably won't work if you have like a cajillion of these things, but for a dozen or two, I think it'll work. Thanks for watching.